Today is a very special day for ASUS Philippines and St. Paul University, Quezon City, as we take pleasure in welcoming you to the ASUS Edukasyon School Partnership Recognition Ceremony. Aside from the products that ASUS offers, we recognize the education sector as one of the foundation in our country.
At ASUS, apart from producing innovative and world-leading products, we care for the welfare of our users, making our products easy to use and relevant to whatever situation we may have. And together with St. Paul University, Quezon City, we can further strengthen these initiatives for a better quality education here in our country.
We at SPUQC believe that by partnering with ASUS, our teachers, students, and other stakeholders are assured that we will be able to have access to the necessary technological hardware and support that will really, truly support the new educational digital landscape of SPUQC.